Looking for more control over your menu management with automated product control of costs and allergens and nutrition? Why not use ProcureWizard menu management tool? Inside here, we have a dashboard format of what dishes are currently active on the system, batch recipes sitting behind it, and menu structures currently available to view. We can even see any potential issues arising within the system. Within the report overview, it gives me a breakdown of all dishes currently active, with traffic light system to see whether we are in tolerance or not. And the recently updated will allow us to see any products as they're getting added by other team members. The menu management structure is very simple, allowing us to create menu structures based on the brands, units, new menu launches coming through the system, or potentially the seasons. We break this down into sections within the areas of your business and furthermore to the headers in each one of the menu structures. This then enables us to use the menu engineering tools, which can gauge whether or not the business is going to be profitable by entering the sales mix against current cost. We have target GPs and theoreticals, which allows the sales mix to be reflective of the true cost and selling prices. In this case, we'll be profitable, so I will be advising to go to the print and ensuring the team we are achieving such GPs. Further to this, we can go into the product consumption, which allows us to then have an overview of dishes, ingredients, and the breakdown of what we'll be using within those dishes to advise the supplier of the new products coming on board, or particularly look at the pricing structures to lower the price and increase the GP. We can also save and load the mix throughout the year, ensuring that the profitability does not change as the season pricing alters. Further to this, we have the option of choosing the allergen report, which is then defined by the products behind all the dishes, and if they have any issues currently active to be actioned, by quickly dropping in and having an overview of what's causing the issue. Similar to the allergens, we have nutritional breakdown gauged over a traffic light system of government guidelines in a matrix format for the menu, or you can even drill down into the specific spec cards. If you'd like to see more information on allergens and nutrition within ProcureWizard, please see the additional video attached. Each menu engineering tool has the ability to attach a PLU to the EPOS, allowing you to then attach this into the flash control system, gauging your performance over each one of the dishes as and when sold. The dish sales summary is then populated, and from here a theoretical breakdown is guided into the flash data, giving me an achievable target against budget and then against actual. You can even go one step further, and using the till management system into the Access EPOS, we can go ahead and create till groups and publish profiles, allowing me to drop into a certain range of menu structures to be published at any given time by yourself. This allows us to activate or deactivate till buttons directly from ProcureWizard with the live costs. It also contains the real-time allergen information and nutritional aspects sitting right behind it. It even has the capability to send spec cards directly to your kitchen for the kitchen team to be updated with the real-time information. Missing products and product replacements are easily controlled as well by coming across to the Product Replacement tab and selecting which products that you want to switch out. Selecting penne will allow me to then come down and see alternative products available for penne, and selecting the product will highlight dishes it's currently in, with the ability to then replace very quickly and smoothly. To summarize, ProcureWizard menu management tool is simple, clean, easy, lowering costs, increasing GPs, and having the capabilities of being completely compliant without manual intervention.